how to use Arby's loyalty reward. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a simple tutorial that we can use in order to use the loyalty rewards on Arby's. So let's just dive right into the video and follow out the process and we should be able to manage it. So let's just dive right in and get started. So all we gotta do is head over to Arby's official website, which is this one right here, arbys.com. And once you've done so, you can sign in or create your account if you've not done so. And we can go to the section for deals, which is this one right here, or rewards, depending upon your device. Once you're in this section, you can just go over and look out for a bunch of offers available here. So go ahead and find one of those offers and click on the option called redeem online or order and go ahead and click on it. For example, this one right here, order now. And we can follow out the process here. So here we can view all of the items available. We can just go over and redeem it here. Click on view items. And once viewed, we can just go and select up a location as well. You can choose up a location first. And you can choose up a location. And once a location is chosen, you can just go over and click on the option called redeem. So you should be finding an option where you can redeem it. Once you have selected your specific product, you can click on the redeem option and you should be able to redeem the rewards that way. You can also redeem it by in-store by generating a code or showing a reward in the application itself. And you should be able to do it. Rewards are digital and linked to your account. So we can also go ahead and join Arby's rewards. You can basically search for Arby's rewards, hit enter, and when you do, you just need to go over and look out for the very first site that appears, deals one. And when you click on it, you will be receiving 25% off usually when you just sign in as well. So you can just go over and do so and you should be able to get the rewards. Some location may not support online ordering. Reward only works in countries where Arby operates. And that's it everybody for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.